Okay, good. All right, the session is now recording, and like I said before, the class I started recording the class. Tonight's class is like a continuation of this yesterday's class. We wanted to create more. Chief Jendo Oba, please put yourself on mute. All right. I said it's a continuation. So we want to have enough reusable templates you can look at and have enough confidence to start creating your portfolio. Everybody, before you finish this this class or this boot camp, you must have a portfolio. At least one or two portfolios is very, very important. You are going to, if you are handling project management, you need to create everything, all the templates that can be used for project management. If you are working on data analysis, you need to create all the reusable templates that can be used for business analysis. All this I just created is for one. Like you see in project management, I created a template for only one item, and we have so many items. So that is what we need to do. And we are going to, I'm going to put us on internship on Zikora AI. That will appear on our CV as well. We intern. So, and that is what we are going to do on our internship. We need to create that's going to be our capstone project or work experience, so that by the time we finish, we'll have something reasonable to appear on our CV, where we'll start sending our CVs. It's going to be more honorable. So that is the game plan. As you guys can see, the way I'm building, fast building on this Zikora. And anything I ask you to do is for our own good. You are not doing me a favor, you are doing us a favor. When I say follow our page on LinkedIn, follow it on Facebook, you are not doing me a favor. If we are using it as your place of work, if you're trying to break into AI or machine learning industry or IT industry, what you've done. So you are doing if it's reputable, if our project is going viral on social media, it's to your own advantage as well, because we are working there, we help you to get job, we help you to promote yourself. So when I say let us follow, it's for our own good. I say let us follow. Some people will behave like they are not part of this. They'll just think we are just here to learn. After learning all these things, and you don't have good packaging, nobody's going to look at you. So these are part of the packaging we need to come out very well. It's important. So let's do the needful. It's important. Yeah. We're going to be equally, as AI is a new industry, we're going to be having like summits. Outside class, we can come and have summits from time to time. We're going to call it summits. You can, people in Lagos can come together and have their summits in other states or even outside in Nigeria here, and we can have summits. AI summit, the Zikora AI summit will come. People will contribute, people will talk, people will, things like this. We'll have guest speakers and things like that. And that's the only way we can be recognized when we are doing what is supposed to be done. So these are the things, that is the roadmap we have here, because more people are joining, more people are going to join this class even after us. So it's going to be a continuous, and it needs to be honorable. Things we are, anything we do, let's get the best out of anything, any engagement, any commitment, any investment we make here. Let's get the best out of it, and that's it. So that's my encouragement, so that we'll be more participating in everything we're doing. I see some of us, like in some of my other class, where we are breaking into projects, exercise here, where I see what you are doing with your team, the selecting team lead. I've seen some team and people do not want to, I don't know what they've come here to do. Ask them to do something, they will not do it. You say come out for leadership position, you are not coming out for leadership position, and we are here to study about project management. That is called leadership position. They don't want to come out to lead. They don't want to be team lead. Okay, come out, participate in the election. If you don't want vote, they are not going to come out. They don't want to do anything. How then do you want to even become the project manager if you don't want to do anything? And you see some of them, they always join the class. So all those things is not, for me, is uncalled for. It's a short period of time, try to participate actively. So just encouragement, I'm encouraging you, because I do not have rights to tell you what to do. You're an adult. All right. Okay, I will share my screen so we look at this set of reusable templates we'll go for tonight. So, okay, Linus, you raised your hand. Do you have any issue? Do you have having any problem?
No, 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 no. No, sorry.
Okay.
No, I don't have any issue. Sorry.
All right. Because you are raising, put your hand down so that you start confusing people. Okay. Last night we created business analysis, and we ended up creating a reusable template for requirement management in business analysis. So this is quite a good template that can help us to create more templates in business analysis, other activities, other deliverables. Looking at this is a guide that will help us to craft templates, more usable templates, which will become, we call it a business analysis prompt portfolio, because it has everything to automate business analysis workflow. That is the game plan. So we can have portfolios in every aspect of work or career paths. Call it BA, call it project management, call it ITSM. Once you have it, it means we have automated all the work environment using AI. And this is what you can, during your interview, you can talk authoritatively how you can, bring value to an organization, how you can automate their workflow using AI. It's not, I've worked across board, different places. This is a new idea. This is still very green. So if you can come and talk about it, you are really a valuable asset to any company. You can come to your profile, your LinkedIn profile, and talk authoritatively how you can automate the whole workflow in project management. Talk about how you are going to do it using reusable template as a prompt engineer, and people will say, wow. And that's what we're looking at. That's how we can sell ourselves. So, and if you get a job and they ask what you can bring to table, you can simply educate them how you can transform their system or their organization with your AI prompt skills. So that's it. Okay. Now we have another one. Here is for digital marketing, for product launch. Product, this is, say, select a real-time task, a real-world task, and the rule. And with just like others, here is digital marketer or digital marketing, and it's on product launch. So I use 65 digital bank mobile app. So the scenario, they want to launch a mobile application of 65 digital bank, and they want, as a digital marketer, you need to create a campaign, just like a banner or a video that can be shared on social media. And that is what we've just done here, or what I want to present to you here. And this is the step-by-step prompt chain in 6 steps. First, you state all the activities that need to be prompted. The first activity is to summarize the product feature, and the second activity is to identify target customer personas, and another activity is to write ad copy variations and suggest and choose visual ideas for banner, and create a campaign banner prompt, and then create a video prompt from the campaign ad. So that's the 6 sequence, and that's what you've done here. So when you list them, you come here, you create the first prompt here. The first prompt is act as a digital marketing specialist. Summarize key features of the product list listed below in bullet point. Focus on user value and clarity. So the input, insert product description here, and output will be feature name, short description, user benefit. So this is a reusable template that can be used for this. At this point, you can see there is no company, no brand here. we do not have any brand here, means that this template can be used for any company as long as yeah, they just input their brand and it goes. So if come to identify target customer persona as a digital marketing specialist based on the product feature listed below, identify target customer persona for each persona, including name, demography, goal, pain points, and why they would want this product. So we are trying to identify the target audience. So and this is where you input a summary. That is where you input the summarized product features here, which you generated from the first prompt. So, and you come again on the third item or the third step, write add copy variation. Act as add copy writer, creates 3 variations of add copy for the product targeting the personas below. Write in a persuasive tone with a clear call to action, that's CTA. And then input product feature from step 1, target persona from step 2, we add them here, and the output is going to be short headline, 1 sentence body, and call to action. And if you are in digital marketing, you understand what I'm saying very well. Some of us are not into digital marketing. It might be a bit vague to you, but once you look it twice, it will start sinking. So step 4, suggest and choose visual idea for the banner. So the prompt is act as a director, creative director, suggest 3 creative banner concepts that aligns with the ad copy and customer persona. Include visual concept, color, theme, text overlay, why it will resonate with this audience. And the input is insert output from 3, and then insert output from 2 as well. This is chain. Remember what we do. This is prompt chaining. Prompt chaining meaning that you use the outputs of the first one to create the second one and the third one. That's kind of chaining the whole prompt or the whole workflow together. And then 5 here creates campaign banner prompt. This campaign banner prompt, the template, the prompt here is act as a prompt engineer, create an image generation prompt for AI tool, and example for Midjourney or Dell. And based on the chosen banner concept, ensure it's include send description, style, color palette, text overlay, and format, horizontal or vertical or social media format, that is. And then you input Here, insert the banner concept in the step 4. This will help you to create a banner. With this, you create a banner you're trying to create. So, and then step 6, you then turn this banner you've created into a video. It's a banner, but it becomes, you turn it into a video, it starts moving. So it doesn't, you see so many times, you see AI will tell you, insert your video, insert your photo, upload your photo into AI, and AI will turn it into a video. What AI does is that once you insert that picture or image into AI, AI will turn that image into a prompt first. It will extract the information from that field and turn it into a prompt. And from that prompt, it will create a video for you. It's not, it doesn't just turn the picture starts. That is it. But so many of us who do not understand the prompt engineering, we just think that once you insert picture, the picture will start working on it. Within the background, it will extract, just like this. This is a banner. It's going to extract all the information in this banner. And the information in this banner, when it is this prompt, this is the prompt that turns it into a picture. So this prompt is equally the same that can turn into a video. So here, that's it. Act as an engineer for a video generator like Runway or View. Create a detailed video prompt for a 15 seconds product launch ad, including opening scene, transition or animation, voiceover or text script, closing, call to action, video, visual style, and music mode. And the input is step 1, step 3, step 4, and all the banner concepts you input it, and that's it. That is how this coupled with this instruction you're given here. So at the end, this is the prompt chain we've got here. You see it here, 1, 2, 3 to 6. Summarize products. That is step 1 to 3. Target persona. Output is step 3 to 4. Add copy, step 4 to 6. Banner idea, step 5 to 6. Then banner prompt, asset creation, and the video prompt, video ad is going to create a video ad. So you think that's how this got chained together. And yeah, and then the deliverables is this. You create a target persona, you create ad copy variation, banner concept, AI image prompt, and AI video prompt. So, and optionally, brief documents compiling them all. So, but this is the main thing. All these words, time you finish, these are the 2 main deliverables you want to create here. You want to get image prompts and you want to get video prompts. All this will help you to create image prompts and video prompts. So they are all templates that can be applied. So this template, when you try to personalize it, is going to look like this. Like now, I'm now putting a brand. If you check out the first one, they are all templates, reusable templates, no brand. But now here we have brand. You see, act as a marketing specialist, summarize the key features of the product listed below in bullet point, focus on user value and clarity. And the input here is 65 is a mobile first digital bank offering list all the this is listed there. So it's a list in bullet point, the product feature. And that is it here. Modify, we listed modified product feature, which is instant account opening, peer-to-peer transfer, bill payment, electricity, TV, and internet, expense tracking, savings vault with daily interest, virtual card for online shopping. So these are all that is what you ask. So this is what that template will give you this prompt. So then the output of this prompt is this. So instant accounts, create a bank account within 5 minutes from your phone. Transfer, P2P transfer, send and receive money instantly with just a phone number. Bill payment, pay utility bill, and the rest, and the expense tracking, and that is the output of this prompt. You come to step 2, you see identify target persona, act as a digital marketing strategist based on the product feature listed below. Identify 3 target customer persona, and the output here you have persona 1, young hustler, age 23, NYC core member, goal, save and manage money on a light budget, pay points, high banks, charges, and low support. Why 65, instant saving vault, no hidden charges. Then another persona is tech-savvy freelancer, age 28, graphic designer in Lagos, goal, fast, secure payment from clients, and pinpoint inconvenience banking app, and Y65 virtual card and quick transfer. And then we have another persona here, busy mom, age 35, small business owner, go pay bill, track expense, spending efficiently, pay points, long queues, late bill payments, Y65, easy bill pay and expense tracking. So that is it. That is here you see identify 3 target persona, and he has identified 3 target persona for you. That's what this prompt has done for you. And we go down again and we see write add copy variation. Based on all these activities, because it's a chain reaction, you say write add copy variation, act as advert copywriter, create 3 ad copy variations targeting these personas. All these personas you created already, you've identified already, you create ad copy for each of them. And number 1 here, we have young hustler, and that is the NYC couple we've identified. Headline, bank smart, save fast. Body of the ad copy, open an account in 2 minutes, start saving with daily interest. Call to action, download 65 now. Then for freelancer, all of us here are freelancer, headline, power your hustle. Body of the ad, send, receive, and spend with ease using Monify Visual Card. Call to action, try Monify free. And then for busy mom, headline, pay bill sorted, bills sorted. Body, skip the queue, pay bill, and track spending from your phone. Call to action, make life easier with 65. And visual banner, based on what you'll be doing, you will now want to create a visual banner. And the prompt here is, act as a creative director, suggest 3 banner concepts align with each of the ad copy. And then we'll have output. We're creating 3 concepts. The first concept, fast and free banking. Virtual, youth in NYC uniform smiling, holding a phone. Color, green plus blue. Overlay text, start saving instantly. This is a banner. This banner, you can post it on social media. Then the second concept, freelancer freedom. Visual of the banner, young man at laptop with digital dashboard. Color, midnight purple. Overlay text, control your cash flow. And then the third concept for the busy mom is billboards. Visual, busy mom holding baby and a phone. Bill floating away. And color, peach and wine. And overlay text, pay bills, skip stress. And then the banner here. So you choose one banner, or you can create any all of them if you wish. So create campaign banner prompts. Prompts for Midjourney or DAL-E, a young Nigerian woman in NYC uniform smiling, holding a smartphone and a piggy bank. Green and blue background, bold heading, start saving instantly with 65, modern, clean, vibrant landscape format. This is a banner image for you that's created from the first concept. And this concept creates a video prompt for view or runway with this concept. Then prompt, create a 15 seconds product launch video for 65. Opening scene, fast-paced montage of people opening bank account from their phone. Transition, swipe motion reveal feature like a bill pay, saving vault, virtual card, and test script. Say hello to 65. Save smarter, pay easier, live better. Join thousands, banking smarter. Download 65 now. Style, youthful, vibrant, Afrobeat, instrumental. And that's how we can design a complete workflow that will help us identify our target audience, design hard copy for them, create a banner, image banner, and equally create a video, a small video that can be shared even or used on social media for adverts. And that's it. So that template has been transformed into this live workflow. And this is the final output. This is it here. And yeah, so from this, we create a reusable template. Is a reusable template for this. And yeah, so this reusable template here can be used for any product launch ad copy, whether it's a digital bank app, whether it's a property, real estate property, whether it's as long as the product launch, whichever is it food, restaurant, is it, you can apply it anywhere as long as it's product launch. And that's why it's a reusable template. So if they have it now, or if you are now a freelancer working as a digital marketer, you can be busy looking for customers. How to craft or create your ad is not a problem. If they are coming from bank, they can pay. If they are coming from restaurants, you did. If they are real estate people, you did. Even if they are politicians trying to, pitch their manifesto, you still did. Their manifesto is still a product and service for. So anyway they are coming, you did. So that's how this particular template can be extremely useful. All you need to do is keep refining it and fine-tuning it to make it look better. So, but that is it. Yeah. So I hope we are following.
Yes, sir, I'm following.
So I hope you guys are following the, yeah, because I know so many of us are very interested in this digital ad campaign and video. So if you are interested, this is how you can actually create both your banner and your video. But some of us who are really interested in video, you don't need, if you have an ad, a banner, if you have a banner that you created, there is no worries about you trying to make sure that everything is uniform. All you need to do is that banner, convert it into a prompt, a video prompt, and you generate a video that is very close to your banner. And that is it. So that is it. If you have any question on this, so this another way, very fast and easy way, if you do not know where to start. If you have a banner, in any banner you like, maybe for instance, please put yourself on mute. So if you have any, you want to create a banner and you're struggling, you don't know where to start, all you need to do is look for similar banners. You are looking for similar banner. Capture that banner and transform it into your own banner. Just put your own brand, and ask the AI to use your own brand to transform it into, and from there, you've now generated idea. You can, from that idea, start fine-tuning that banner.
Everywhere. No man is the life of the partner. So whether you work with
Can you guys please mute your mic?
Okay, let's review that of data analysis. This is for data analysis. All right. All right. Now we're into data analysis. See how we can help data analysts improve their workflow using AI. So here we choose a role, and the role is data analyst, and scenario is to analyze data marketplace, sales data set using Microsoft Excel to extract insights, create visualization, and build shareable dashboard for business stakeholders. So that's it. So the first thing is breaking the tasks into promptable steps. And this is the steps. We have defined the analysis objective and acquire and understand the data set structure, clean and prepare the data in Excel, analyze the data using Excel formula and the pivot table, create visualization, chart or graph, design the final dashboard layout for decision makers. And then to create the first prompt, that is the first prompt we are going to create is to define the analysis objective, and that's it. Defining the analysis objective. This is the prompt here. Act as a business data analyst based on the business need. Write a clear sales analysis objective and list 3 questions the Excel reports should answer. And then the business need. Management want insight into product performance, regional sales trend, and the monthly revenue growth. Constraint. Keep output brief and business friendly and use bullet points. This is the prompt to define business analysis objective. And then the second one here is acquire and understand data sets. So understanding the data sets, prompt here, you are a data analyst, review raw data sets in Excel. Below are column names. We have order ID, we have customer name, we have a region, we have a product, we have quantity, we have a unit price, we have order date, and we have a total revenue. Describe the meaning of each column in simple terms and suggest 3 things to explore in the analysis. Constraints, avoid technical jargon, format as a table if needed. That's the prompt. Then clean and prepare data in Excel. That is the third task that needs to be done. And this is the prompt here. Act as an Excel expert. Suggest step-by-step data cleaning checklist for the following data set. Remove duplicate, fix missing value, standardize date format, create month column for order date. Constraints, write in plain English, then translate into Excel formula example. So, and the step 4, analyze the data set, Excel builds. And how many of us here are data analysts or in data analyst here? How many of us? Temi, Tope, Charles Okoye, Angela George. So how are you seeing it? Is it lying?
Yes, absolutely perfect.
So
It's a game changer.
okay, so you can see all you need to do, you don't need so much wahala. So just with this prompt, you will get things flowing. Okay, let's continue. Under this, we see number 4, analyze the data. So this is it. The prompt you are going to use is using Excel formula or pivot table. Answer the following questions. What are the top 5 best-selling products? 2. Which region had the highest sale in first quarter? 3. What's the total monthly revenue trend over the past year? Constraints. For each answer, suggest formula. Example, sum if, count if, pivot table, and explain. So this is now analyzing your data. With this prompt, it's going to give a clean analysis. And then 5, create visualizations. The prompt for creating visualization: as a data visualization specialist using Excel, suggest the best chart type for the insights table. Include layout tips, example, legend, colors, axis, labels. Insights, monthly revenue, products, category, and regional sales distribution. So now it will, because you say suggest the best, so you're going to use the best to create the visuals for you. So that's this prompt. And then you come down again on 6. Design dashboard layout in Excel. You come here again, you say, this is a prompt template. Act as a dashboard designer. Create a visual layout plan for an Excel dashboard that presents these insights to executives. KPI, total revenue, average order value, and units sold. And then monthly revenue trend and products, top products, and top regions. You give constraints. I say, fit in one Excel worksheet. Include layout section, top bar, left bar, and the center graph. Recommended color and formatting for business users. So this is it. And yeah, so you see, you have a whole workload, step by step. The whole process flow is being covered on how to analyze and visualize data for you. The whole workload has been automated for you. And then this is the final product. Manual prompt chaining. Here you see prompt chain flow. You see paste prompt number 1, get objectives, and then prompt 2, understand, prompt 3, cleaning, prompt 3, and that's it. So, and it's going to give you a very clean output. And deliverable outputs, we have deliverable output. Number one is clear business questions. Two, data set column description and exploration idea. Three, Excel cleaning checklist plus formulas. Four, Excel formula plus power pivot table analysis. And five, charts recommendation tips. And six, dashboard layout markup. So, yeah. So sample outputs for each of these here. Sample outputs. This, like you see, the everything above, they are all template. There is no value, business value or usage there. Here we have to impute better marketplace data as a placeholder. So to evaluate the better marketplace objectives here, to evaluate better marketplaces performance by identifying top performing products, high revenue region, and monthly sales. This is the key question. What are the top best-selling products? Which region generate the highest revenue in the last quarter? What is the monthly revenue trend in the last 12 months? So if you run the first prompt, which is defining the business value, this will help you. This is the business objective. Is define the analysis objective. That is the objective of the analysis. This key question. They are now giving instruction on why you are even need to go into this analysis to find out the best-selling product, to find out the region that generates the highest revenue in the first quarter, and to find out what is the monthly revenue. That is the objective. So it has helped you to craft the objective questions. Then, two, understand the data set. Data set column explain. Under here we have column one. You say order ID. It tell you that it's unified or unique identifier for each product. Customer name, name of customer placing the order. Region, geographic region of the customer. Product, the item sold. And the quantity, name or number of units sold, unit price, price per unit, order, the date when the order is placed, total revenue, that is quantity times the number of unit price, quantity times the unit price. And exploration idea, compare total revenue across region. Identify 10 customers by sales and analyze product-wise revenue contribution. That is it. Understanding data sets. If you run the prompt, you will get this. And then number 3, clean and prepare data in Excel. To clean your data, these are cleaning checklists. You have to remove duplicates, order, to use remove duplicates in Excel, and file missing value in quantity through price. Use this, you get the missing value quantity through price. Use this syntax. It's created a syntax for you to use. Mind you, it's not going to, all you need to create the value you are going to use. If you run this syntax, you get the, you fill the missing value. Standardized date format. Use this syntax and it's going to standardize the dates. Add month column. So for those who, because these are some of the syntax or functions, so many of us are struggling while trying to analyze. But it has given you all the values you need. Add monthly column. This is the value you need. Use this syntax and it will give you a good result. Data ready for analysis and time series breakdown. So it has given you all the values you need to clean and prepare the data sets and analyze the data, insights, and Excel technique. First, top 5 products. Use pivot table. Row equal to products, value equal to sum of the total revenue, and sort descendant. So if you are a data analyst and you are there, you know, at least there are some things you should be able to know how to do, because it's not going to just because this AI is not integrated in the Excel, so it's not going to run like magic. But you have to know how to create a pivot table, which is very easy. And once you input all these values, it's going to give you top 5 products in the data set you're analyzing. Then top region in the first quarter, that is Q1 is first quarter. Filter by Jan to March, January to March. January to March, that is the first quarter. Use sum if by region. So if you are there and you don't know, if you are a data analyst, you're analyzing, you see within the pivot table, it's very easy to do that, and you get this. Once you follow these steps, you are going to get the top region in the first quarter. Then monthly revenue trend. Use pivot table. Row equal to month, value equal to total revenue. And example, once you run this, if you are running this in your pivot table, you will see all these things coming out very clean. So, and then visualization. recommend charts. Under the monthly revenue trend, you use line charts. Under the top products, top 5 products, use column charts. And under regional sales, use pie charts. And use consistent color for region. Add data label for clarity, negatives, and label all as is, and use title. So, and it comes to the dashboard. Dashboard design one Excel sheet. It should be in one Excel sheet. Top row of the dashboard should be the KPI card, total revenue, average order value, and units sold. And left panel should be filter region, dates, and filter region data. So you should have a filter that should be able to filter by region, filter by cell, or filter by product. Center of the dashboard, monthly trend line charts. And right panel, top product, sell by region charts. And footer, note or data source link. And that's it. That is it. So if you are a data analyst, you know that this has simplified. It has made the work. It's now a piece of cake for you. But if you are not a data analyst, you struggle a bit to understand what we are talking about. Yeah. If you're not, but if you're a data analyst, you know that this is piece of cake. He has made the data analysis like piece of cake. All right. And this is templates, reusable templates. So these templates can be used across. You can use it here for Excel. You can use it for CSV. You can use it for database export, sales log, CRM data. You can use it across both to analyze data. So that's it. So a very powerful template. This template you see here. So any data analyst who really knows what's at least basic in data analysis, if you lay your hands on this, this is going to be acceleration. This template can equally be used across, retail data, HR data, finance data set. You can use it across. All just understand how this template works. This is chained, and yeah, so that's it. So have four now. Have 4 reusable templates in our notes. 4 of them in our notes. Number 1, project management. 2, business analysis. 3, digital marketing. 4, data analysis. So it gives us idea. So if you want to create a portfolio for instance, data analysis, you can create for this. The one we just use for sales data set. You can create sales data sets. You can create customer data sets. You can create for product data sets. You can create for employee data sets. You can create for financial data sets, analyze financial data sets. But you can see this, with this, you can use it across, even for HR, means that if you craft it very well, you can use it for, employee data sets. So this is almost a portfolio for you for data analysis. So this template is big. So that's it. So if you are not getting it, it may be because it is, but if you follow the step by step, if you be following the one we've done, understanding it from project management, that might be easier. Coming to this, you still get to understand it. So, yeah. I've got questions. Yeah, you can answer questions. So, but you cannot graduate from me here in this class without having a portfolio. Must have at least one portfolio. That's the only way I can say yes, you are now a prompt engineer. Yeah, Madam Genika. Genika, we can't hear you.
Hello.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, sorry. There's no light, so my camera is
I say
already
we
set.
can hear you, Madam Genika.
Okay. I said my camera is on, but
Okay.
there's no light currently, so you can't see anything. So I
It's
wanted
okay.
to find out.
I know you are an obedient student.
Okay. So I wanted to find out first and foremost, like what you said yesterday. For you to be an AI prompt engineer, you may not you may not know all the domains or maybe what goes on in every domain, but you should be able to create a reusable template for that domain. So my question now goes, for example, let's say, for example, I don't know anything about data analysis, or maybe I want to create a deliverable on that. I know I need to have the steps of what happens in that deliverable that I want to create. So I assume that I'm just clarifying. That's what I think. I should use AI first and foremost to find out the steps involved in that deliverable I want to create before I now go and create the reusable template. Is that correct?
Like I say, you don't need to have any you don't need to be a domain expert. Like this data analyst template I've created here, anyone can do this without even knowing anything in data analysis. You might be able to create all this, but you don't know where to impute it, but you created a template, a very good template at that. So somebody who is in data analysis will know that we've done a good job. But as we are growing, anywhere you have interest, you will try to do some mastering there. So, like, it's going to help you in your own domain more. If you are a data analyst and learn this, then you become a top dog here. But if you don't know anything on the data analysis, and at least you can create a template, but you won't be able to use it you will struggle to use it because you don't know anything in data analysis. But AI can equally guide you. But if you can't just do AI prompt engineering and tell us that you are now a data analyst because you are a prompt engineer. No way. You have to be a data analyst before you can use it very well in data analysis. But you can create a template Yeah, reusable template the data analyst can use, but you are not a data analyst. I don't know if you are getting me.
Okay, so let me rephrase my question now. For example, now, like if I'm creating a deliverable, I have to first and foremost take the steps involved in that. So, say for example, now, like the one we did yesterday, maybe for a BA or a project manager. So, let's say you picked the one you picked like a requirement solicitation. Like have to know like what are the steps involved in that deliverable before you even go. And so, if I don't have if I have zero knowledge of the steps in that deliverable I want to create the reusable template. So I have to first and foremost go use AI to ask AI to generate the steps involved in that deliverable. That's what I'm asking.
Yes.
Okay, okay, okay. That clears it
Yeah.
because I was at some point I was now wondering, okay, how then do you know what steps are involved before you create it? If you
If you don't
don't
know
have
the
any.
steps, if you don't know the steps, you, for instance, they say, if you are very good at AI, using AI, which you are an engineer you become, they say create a template on how to requirement management. You don't know anything about requirement management. You ordinarily you ask a question, anybody, how do we do requirement? But AI is the best, advisor on this. So you type AI, the AI will get you the steps. Then you use that steps to plan your work while you are crafting the question to give to AI. And that's it. It's going to, or if you craft it very well, it's even going, while trying to create, it's going to break those steps down for you if you don't know. So, but these days, telling you don't know this and you have AI with you is you already know. You can ask question, AI question. At this point, all you need is how to use this AI. If you know how to use it very well, you cannot tell me that you don't know this because you can always ask AI. And just like when we used to say ask Google, it's no longer ask Google, it's now ask AI, which is better because Google, when you say ask Google, Google will give you a link where you are going to read it up. But AI will bring the best answer and give it to you.
Okay, okay. Thank you very much for the explanation. I now get
Okay.
it now. Thank you.
Yeah. We have to start practicing, you know. That is the only way we can get to know it. Start practicing like what all these things I've done here. Try to do it. All these templates I created, do not just copy it and go and save it. On that, you try to recreate and get your own. All these follow suit and recreate all of them. While recreating it, you see if you are getting it very close to my own or you are not getting it very close. That will help you. By the time you try it 1, 2, 3, you master it. But if you are just watching, not doing, you are not going to master it. You are going to master by learning it, doing it, and see how it works. Keep on refining your work, keep on fine-tuning your work. That is what you are going to do. You have the full notes here. The note is very detailed and easy to understand. I've not seen anybody who come and say, I do not understand your notes, because I do try to refine it to make it easy to grasp. So follow, practice. You have to practice. IT is all about practicing. It's not about listening. You listen, you practice. You watch, you practice. That is the way you can accelerate. Any more questions? All right. Thank you. And I think with what we have, we should be able to start creating templates. We'll be able to create a lot of templates. So why I take my time to do this, because I know this is where our internship is going to be on, creating usable templates, creating portfolio. That's what we're going to do. And I've taken my time to do this, not in one class. So we should be comfortable. We have enough work. We have enough resources to practice this and start getting it done. So that's it. Next time, we're not coming to this again. Thank you. And good night.
Nice, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Charles. Good night.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Good
Good
night,
night.
everyone.
Good night, sir.
Good night, everyone.
Good night, everyone.
Good night, people.